Hi everyone, so today we are going to learn how to find unknown angles in quadrilaterals. So we are going to start with a rhombus. We know that rhombus is just similar like parallelograms, but the difference in rhombus, all the sides are equal. Okay, PQRS is a rhombus. Angle QRS is 108 degrees. Find angle PSQ. PSQ. Find this angle. In parallelogram, we know that opposite angles are equal, and angles between parallel sides will be add up to 180 degrees, and it will be applied also in rhombus because rhombus is special type of parallelogram. But the difference that all the sides are equal. So if we divide this, can you imagine that these all sides are equal? And if we cover one part of this rhombus, can you imagine what kind of triangle is formed? It is an isosceles. Remember, these sides are equal. If there are two equal sides in a triangle, it means it is an isosceles. Okay, so let's start with that. We need to find PSQ, right? So it is another part of this triangle, and we know that opposite angles are the same. So if QRS is 180 degrees, then the opposite angles, which is angle SPQ, it will be also equals to 108 degrees. Okay, so this is 108 degrees, and as I've told you, if we cover this, then it is an isosceles. If one of the angles is 108 degrees, and we knew that this angle will be equal with this angle, so how do we find one of the angle? Angle PSQ is equals to, remember, the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. One of them is 108 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 108 degrees. But remember, these two angles are equal. So to find one of them, we just need to divide it by 2. 180 degrees minus 108 degrees is 72 degrees. Divided by 2 equals to 36 degrees. So angle PSQ is 36 degrees. Next question. Try 1. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABC is 45 degrees and angle AEC is 124 degrees. This is 124 degrees. Find angle CDCE. Find this angle. We need to find this angle. Okay, remember this is parallelogram. Opposite angles are the same. Angles between parallel sides add up to 180 degrees. But first, let us check this angle. Angle CED. CED, so this angle. As you can see, AED is a straight line. Remember, the sum of all angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. AEC is given. It is 124 degrees. So how do we find CED? Yes, we just need to subtract because their sum is 180. One of them is 124. So to find the other angle, we just need to subtract 180 degrees minus 124 degrees. What is that equals to? 56 degrees. So this angle, 56 degrees. Get it? Okay. Remember, this is a parallelogram. Opposite angles are the same. Angle ABC is given 45 degrees. The opposite angles is ADC. Look at this. It is opposite each other, right? So these angles are the same. So if this is 45 degrees, then angle ADC is also 45 degrees. That's it. So can you now find this? Remember, what shape is this? If we cover this part, what shape is this? It is a triangle. And remember, the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So to find this, how do we find it? Yeah, we just need to subtract the other two angles. ADC is 45 degrees. So angle DCE is 180 minus 56 degrees minus 45 degrees. Okay, what is that equals to? $79 degrees. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.